What is no SDLC? SDLC. Anyone? What is the SDLC? SDLC stands for an area?
Software development life cycle.
Exactly, software development life cycle. So what is software development life cycle? What is the useful of software development life cycle? See, one in IT sectors, in IT companies, once they get the project from customer, from client to develop the application, to start the implementation activity, they can follow one process. The process is a software development lifecycle process. Like first, how to approach the client, and next gathering the requirements, next who will start the work, and who will develop the application, who will test the application. The entire process is called software development lifecycle. Any organization to develop the application, they should follow the SDLC process. SDLC stands for software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle. I think you have one doubt. We came for to learn testing, but why we are discussing about development lifecycle? We came for to learn testing, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, actually, testing. When we need to start testing, like before development or after development, Sweta? Before development or after development?
After development.
Yeah, after development. So once the development process is completed, then we can start testing, right? So testing is one of the stage in SDLC.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, first today let us know the software development process. Everyone, are you able to see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, fine. First stage, software bidding. What is software bidding? The bidding means the like it's combining, and so see at this stage what's going on. Software bidding at this stage, CEO. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. CEO go to client side, go to client side and finalize the project. See once again, first software bidding. First, if you want to start the development, first we need one application, first we need one software, right? So at this stage, CEO. CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. What is CEO work? CEO go to customer site and discussing about the project details and budgets, everything. Finally, the CEO finalizes the project with customer. The stage is called, the entire process stage is called software bidding. Software bidding. Once the software bidding is completed, next stage, kickoff meeting. What is kickoff meeting? Now at software bidding stage, project manager finalizes the project. Okay, then our project is ready, so we can start developing and testing something else. But before start that work, we need to maintain that all teams. We need one lead. Correct or not?
Yeah.
To maintain all leads, we need one head. The head is called, Sharda, the head is called?
The CEO.
No. To maintain all teams, one lead required. The lead is called project manager.
Okay.
Without project manager, you can't do anything, right?
Yeah.
So, project manager. So, what's going on here? CEO, again, CEO come back to organization, and he can arrange one meeting with project managers. Why? To select a project manager. Once again, at software bidding stage, CEO go to customer side and finalizing the project. Once the project is finalized by CEO, then CEO come back to organization. He can arrange one meeting. With all project managers. Why? To select the specific project manager for current project. Then to select the project managers, he can conduct one meeting. The meeting is called kickoff meeting. Why it's called kickoff meeting? See, in IT sectors, any kind of startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. Not only this one, any kind of startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. So at this stage, CEO, he will finalize project manager. See, first at software bidding stage, so CEO finalize project, and kickoff meeting stage, finalize project manager. Okay, project manager is ready, then we can start our work. First, project manager is finalized, then project manager can prepare one document. The document is called project initiation note. Project initiation note. I stands for initiation. What is initiation? Initiation means starting. The project starting document prepared by project manager. Why prepare the project manager? Once the project manager is finalized, then he can prepare with one detailed document like who is the customer and what about the customer details, what about the budget, what about the domains. Domains means is it banking domain, or is it insurance domain, is it telecom domain, is it library domain, like what is the domain. With every details, he can prepare one document. It's like a one mail. The mail is called initiation document. The project initiation document or project initiation note prepared by project manager. Once again, try to understand everyone. But see, it's very important. The process. Once again, first software bidding. At this stage, CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. CEO go to client site, finalize the project. Once the project is finalized, then to select the project manager, then CEO conduct one meeting with all project managers. The meeting is called kickoff meeting. Why it's called kickoff meeting? In IT sector, any kind of startup meeting can be called kickoff meeting. So at this stage, CEO go to client site and finalize the project. CEO come to organization, you can arrange one meeting with project managers and finalizing project manager. So once the project manager is finalized, then project manager can prepare the starting document is called project initiation note. Project initiation means starting. The starting document prepared by project manager. Once the starting document is ready, next requirement gathering. What is it? Requirement gathering. Okay. Now to develop the application, first we need customer requirement. What is customer? What is the meaning of requirement? See, today I want to purchase one mobile. I have some expectations, right? Like I need something 8 megapixel cam, and I need something size mobile, I need something brand mobile, I need something more. See, those are my requirements. Like every client, they have some requirements, right? Now to develop the application, we need client requirement. Without requirements development, it's not possible. So to develop the application, requirements is mandatory. Then, okay, who will gather the requirement from the customer? Sweta?
The business analyst. Project manager.
Not project manager, business analyst. Why business analyst? Why not project manager? Business analyst is a domain expert. Why? Because I am a customer. I established one bank. Okay? I am a customer, I established one bank. See, from like here, Sweta is a project manager and Sharada is a business analyst. So Sharada, she knows everything. Means she is a domain expert. Example, it is a banking domain. Sharada, she is a banking domain expert. Like if it is a ATM software, what is the main features required, everything she knows. But project manager, she don't know. Sweta, she don't know. She is project manager. He can handle the project, but she don't know what is the main features. So if I am a customer, Okay, project manager come to my side, business analyst come to my side. If business analyst, he can explain everything. Customer, this is the main features, this is the mandatory features, he can explain. But project manager, they cannot explain. Correct or not?
Mm.
So domain expert is required. So who is a domain expert? The business analyst, also called as domain expert. Already you have some knowledge on domains. So business analyst, at this stage, business analyst go to customer side and gathering requirement from client, gathering requirement from customer. With these requirements, he can prepare. Once they gather the requirements prepare as some documents. What is the documents? One is BRS, second one is
SRS?
SRS. BRS and SRS. What is BRS? What is SRS? See, BRS stands for Business Requirement Specification. SRS stands for System Requirement Specification. System Requirement Specification or Software Requirement Specification. The two documents prepared by business analyst. It is a requirement document. See, why two documents? Why not one document? See, first the business analyst go to customer side, gathering requirement. With this requirement, he can prepare only one document. What is one document? BRS. BRS. First, they gather the requirement from customer, prepare BRS document. It consists of like entire the requirements with rough work, everything is there. Now, project manager, developer, tester to start the development testing works. First, they should understand what is customer requirement. Without customer requirements, they can't do anything. So everyone, they need to analyze the requirements. Correct or not?
Mm.
So to analyze the requirements, everyone concentrating on SRS document. SRS stands for Software Requirement Specification. And every employee like developer and test engineer and project manager and everyone to understand the requirements concentrating on SRS. Why not BRS? Why even separate SRS? See, from BRS they are preparing SRS. Both are same requirements, but when compared to BRS, it's very clear requirements is there. Example, see, BRS is a textbook, SRS is a guide. So to understand the answers easily within short time, which one is the best, Sweta?
Guide.
Yeah, see, SRS. Understand or not?
Mm.
Okay, so BRS is the entire requirements from the customer, and SRS prepared the same business analyst from, but they are preparing from BRS same requirements with elaborative information. Understand?
Mm.
I will show one small example. I will show one more example from BRS and SRS. See, first BRS they are asking client requirement, adding two numerics. So this is the client expectation. Add two numerics. Okay. Now from this one prepare SRS. How? Like two inputs required to add and finally one output. This is the and the seven of BRS and SRS. This is BRS, they are giving some online requirement, adding two numerics. From SRS, they are giving this type of requirement. Like it's very clear, everyone easily can understand, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah.
Hello? Correct or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why so silent? Is any doubts or any confusion?
No, it's fine.
Clear?
Yeah.
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 So we are
Fine.
just, I'm just keeping them into mute just because I don't want to add any sounds into the meeting, so I'm on mute.
Sorry, I didn't get. So actually, I'm getting some disturbance from your side. Come again?
I'm just keeping myself in mute, to avoid all kinds of sounds that,
Okay.
so that might disturb our meeting.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine, see. Once requirement gathering is completed, next, okay, requirements is ready. Then after that, everyone concentrating on analyze the documents. So why analyze the documents? See, if you have a project manager without requirements, I can't do anything. And if you are a developer and tester without requirements, you can't do anything. So everyone starting those requirements, analyze analyzing requirements. So requirements gathering is completed, then analyzing those requirements, everyone, not only specific person. So
I have a question. I mean, both the documents are prepared for by business analyst?
yes, BRS as well as documents prepared by business analyst.
Okay.
So after that, once the requirement gathering is completed and requirements analysis is completed,